Intro. So look, let's just be honest for a second. The cost of everything is going through the roof, and at the same time, more people than ever are realizing they need serious help with their finances but have absolutely no idea where to even begin. This is a massive problem, but for you, it's also a massive opportunity. Because what if you could take your existing knowledge about money and turn it into a profitable side hustle, not in a year, not in 6 months, but literally launch it this week? It's a lot easier than you think, and the demand is absolutely off the charts. That's exactly what we're going to break down today. I'm not going to give you some vague advice like, start a blog and leave you hanging. Instead, for every single one of the 10 side hustles I'm about to share, I'm going to give you one specific, actionable, quick win that you can use to get your very first paying client or make your first dollar by this time next week. We're talking about real, tangible steps to build a business from the ground up with minimal cost and maximum speed. This isn't about getting rich overnight. It's about building a real profitable business, starting right now. Forget about needing a fancy degree or $1 million startup fund. All you need is a bit of financial know-how and the drive to get started. We're going to cover everything from simple consulting to leveraging affiliate marketing and even building your own tools. My goal here is simple. By the end of this video, you will have a complete blueprint for at least one business you can launch immediately. So, get ready to take some notes, because we're going to go through this step by step, and it all starts with the first and possibly most in-demand side hustle on this list. Let's get into it. Chapter 1. Alright, let's start with the most direct way to monetize your skills. Online personal finance consulting. The problem you're solving is gigantic. Millions are drowning in credit card debt. Millions are paying way too much in taxes. Millions have zero clue how to create a budget that actually works. They're desperate for someone to sit down with them, look at their numbers, and give a clear, step-by-step plan. They don't need a Wall Street analyst. They need a guide. And that guide can be you. You don't need a fancy office or complicated setup. Here's a quick win to get started this week. Don't build a massive empire from day one. Start incredibly small and focused. Offer a 1-hour financial clarity session over Zoom. Price it around $150. Promote it on your personal social media. Post in local Facebook groups. Tell friends and family. Make the offer irresistible with a simple one-page budgeting template in Google Sheets or Excel. Sell the 1-hour call and include the template as a free bonus. It's low risk for the client and super easy for you to deliver. You're not promising to make them a millionaire. You're promising clarity and a step-by-step plan in 60 minutes. After a few clients, expand. Offer monthly retainers, debt payoff plans, or investment strategy sessions. But it begins with that one high-value Zoom call and a template you can make in an afternoon. This is how you get paid to help people, starting now. Chapter 2. Next up, let's talk about something with almost unlimited demand, starting a credit repair agency. The problem is simple and widespread. According to the data, tens of millions of Americans have what's considered a poor credit score. This single number holds them back from a decent mortgage rate, a car loan, or even just a good credit card. A lot of the time, scores are dragged down by errors or old information that can legally be removed. The process is intimidating and confusing, and they will gladly pay someone to handle it. Here is your quick win to launch this business immediately. Don't get bogged down in complex legal frameworks or promise overnight results. Start with a specific dispute starter for a fixed fee, say $199. Analyze the report and dispute 1 or 2 high-impact errors: incorrect personal info, duplicate accounts, or items past the statute of limitations. Use standard dispute letter templates, draft and send the letters, and provide proof of mailing. Once you've removed an item or two, collect testimonials and upsell to a monthly tier. It's a foot-in-the-door strategy that builds trust and a real business. Chapter 3. Now for a side hustle you can start with literally $0, affiliate marketing in the finance niche. The revenue potential here is frankly insane. Companies pay hundreds for a single sign-up because the lifetime value is so high. You don't need millions of followers. Quick win. Go hyper-niche and create one single piece of high-quality content. Pick one product you genuinely use, a high-yield savings account, a specific cashback card, or a budgeting app. Create a short, honest review. Be authentic, show the sign-up, highlight features, and explain exactly who it's for. Include your unique affiliate link. That's it. One link, one piece of content. Example: my honest review of the XYZ high-yield savings account after 6 months. People searching will find your review, some will sign up, and that content can earn for months or years. The ultimate low-effort, high-reward starting point. Chapter 4. This one ties in nicely with the last one, but takes it a step further. Create your own financial education platform, like a YouTube channel or a blog. Most financial advice is boring or jargon-heavy. People want simple, digestible, engaging content. Break down Roth IRAs, 401ks, or how to buy your first stock. Quick win. You don't need to show your face or be a video editing wizard. Strategy. Make short, 5-minute explainers on highly searched topics. Use simple tools: Canva, Descript, stock footage, animated text, and a voiceover, even an AI voice. Monetize day 1. Add an affiliate link relevant to the video, and mention a small digital product like a budgeting template. You can publish your first video in an afternoon. Niche keywords help YouTube find your audience. Build a content machine, one video at a time. Chapter 5. Let's talk about a business virtually guaranteed to have customers every year: a tax preparation service. Every year, millions dread tax season. They're afraid of mistakes, confused by forms, and terrified of an IRS audit. People will pay a premium for peace of mind and confidence their refund is maximized. Quick win. Leverage the pre-season rush. Offer an early bird tax prep package and don't wait until April. Clients reserve a spot for a flat fee and get a discount. Locking in revenue months in advance and smoothing your workload. Onboard with a simple intake form and secure uploads. Market the special in local business groups, your professional network, and your social media. You don't need to be a CPA for most individual returns. Be diligent and use professional software. This is a recurring revenue business you can start building today by planning ahead. Chapter 6. Alright, for those more tech-savvy, let's talk finance app development. The pain point is tool overload and complexity. People don't need a Bloomberg terminal in their pocket. They need a simple tool that solves one problem exceptionally well. Quick win. Build a minimum viable product that does only one thing, e.g. a daily expense tracker. One screen to enter an amount and tag a category. No bank connections. No complex reports. Use no code like Bubble or Glide. Monetize freemium, free basics, pro at $2.99, Mo with CSV export or a weekly chart. Don't chase thousands, get 10 paying users, then iterate from their feedback. Chapter 7. The fascination with real estate is massive and not going away. Everyone wants passive income, but the barrier feels high and confusing. Quick win. Make a specific beginner's guide or checklist on a narrow strategy. Example: Airbnb arbitrage. Rent a property, then legally sublet it on Airbnb for profit. Provide a downloadable step-by-step checklist. Or focus on REITs. What they are, types, and 3 tickers to research. Offer it free for emails or sell for $19. This positions you as an expert, builds your list, and creates immediate revenue. Look, whether you love it or hate it, the interest in cryptocurrency and AI-powered trading is not slowing down. Many want high returns, but are too busy to watch markets 24/7 or too intimidated by the volatility. This creates huge demand for automation, a tool to do the heavy lifting. Quick win. Don't build the tech. Resell it with a white-label bot program. Vendors offer reliable crypto and forex bots with reseller packages. You add your logo and name, sell subscriptions, and handle marketing and support. Charge monthly, for example $99, and clearly explain benefits like emotionless decisions and 24/7 monitoring. Offer a free demo or backtesting so prospects can see historical performance before risking real money. This builds trust. It's a high-tech business model made simple through reselling. Every single day, thousands of new entrepreneurs, freelancers, and side hustlers decide to make their business official. First steps. form an LLC, and get an employer identification number. The process is often straightforward and free, but it feels intimidating and risky to a first-time owner. Quick Win: offer a flat-fee $99 LLC formation package. You fill out the standard government forms for them. Your only cost is time. The client pays the state filing fee, disclosed up front. It saves time and reduces anxiety. Bundle a one-page checklist. Open a business bank account, get a business credit card, and basic bookkeeping steps. Promote on Upwork, entrepreneur Facebook groups, and your network. You could get your first $99 client today. Finally, let's talk about creating and selling high-ticket online courses. People can find bits and pieces everywhere, but it's scattered. They want a curated, step-by-step path to a specific outcome. A course is a transformation. Quick Win: start with a focused mini course. 3 modules: Master Cash Flow, First Investment Plan, Automate Your Wealth. Pre-sell with a compelling outline and a simple email funnel via a free webinar or PDF. Price $297,997 to validate before building all lessons. Build with your first cohort and iterate. It's the leanest way to launch a profitable education business. So there you have it. 10 profitable finance side hustles you can genuinely launch this week. Start small, solve one specific problem, and deliver a quick win for your first client. It's far better to launch a simple $99 service this week than to plan for 6 months. Momentum is everything. Pick one idea and take the first action today. Grab the free one-page startup checklist in the description to get started immediately. If you got value, smash like and subscribe for more. Thank you so much for watching.